Hello. I brought this one today. This one. Can you see? This one. Concorde. Concorde. 72 scale. From Heller. Hell. What the hell? Heller, from Heller. France. Oh, it's French. French company. I just uploaded the video, but I deleted it. I just didn't like it. Here's the instruction. Concorde. Instruction. Too many. It's too many. It's total 35 pages. Okay, got it? Okay, good. And the box. Concorde. Heller. The back of the box. This. Ooh, cool. It's almost built. Almost done. Almost done. And the decal. Someone call it decal, whatever. I'm just gonna call it decal. Decal's qualities looks okay. I put some decals on the, what is it called, like in the cockpit. All the mechanical things and I don't know what is it called. Anyway, I put the decal inside. But decals a little bit not very soft. Decal's not very soft. So my softener doesn't work very well with it. Yeah. Anyway, yeah, what can I do? And here's the Concorde. Concorde. I didn't wash my hair for like 3-4 days. It's very oily. Whatever. So, yeah. Concorde. As you can see, it's really big. The total length is 87 centimeter. HE7, HE7, you know, 87, and the wingspan's 37 centimeter. Scale is 172 scale, 72. I was gonna buy a 144 scale a long time ago, but I didn't buy it. Finally, I got it today. Not today. About a week ago. Yeah. On eBay, they're selling this one, the new one. The price is from 100 to 200. Yeah, without the shipping. Include the shipping, it's from 150 to 250. But I got it for $30. Yeah. He listed it for 50, but I made a deal. Yeah. 30 is pretty good deal. Yeah. I wouldn't buy the new one. 150 is expensive for me. No. But $30? Buy right away. Buy it. Of course, buy it. For 30 bucks, like this big airplane. The fastest, world fastest passenger jet airplane. They don't fly anymore though. Yeah. There was a disaster long time ago. I don't know how long. Maybe 10 years ago? Yeah. Crashed. Really badly crashed. Everyone dead. And they don't fly anymore. Yeah. Looks nice, eh? Really sharp. Like paper plane. You know? I think I can fly it. I can throw it and you can fly like paper plane, right? The mold is not very great, but parts fits well. Yeah, not very well, but not too bad. It's just okay. Yeah, for 30 bucks. The the original owner, he made some engine part, but really badly built and painted really ugly and paint. This kid has many small paints included inside, but I'm not gonna use that. Yeah, who's gonna use that? I don't know. Anyway, yeah, he used it. I think. Yeah, the paint was so thick, so I removed all the paints with the what is it? The lacquer thinner. Lacquer thinner. Yeah. So I removed it everything, and then rebuilt everything. Yeah. So now it's like this engine. This is Mach 2 maybe. The velocity is Mach 2 maybe? I don't know. Yeah. And I close all the landing gear door. Yeah. So no landing gear. Because it's flying, not just standing on the ground. Yeah. The nose part, it originally it moves down, and the windows are open, but but I broke it. It's broken. When I was moving it down, it was broken. So I just glued it. Yeah, it's okay. It doesn't matter. I like it this way, like this. The reason they made this nose to move down, because when they land, they cannot see the front. I heard. So they made the nose move down, and the canopy in front is hiding inside. Then you can see. Strange. Why? Only Concorde. Only. Yeah. Anyway. Nice. I like it because it's big. I like big one. I need to make some space for display. Yeah. Cool. What else? Yeah. This. Oh, it's not completely done. I need to put some antennas here and here, like around here, like just small parts. Then it's done. It is big, eh? Cool. Heller. I never built the Heller model kit. Yeah, this is the first time. Heller. Not that hell. Not very bad. Not great. So if you want to buy the Concorde or the fastest passenger jet, then you buy it. Yeah. Not highly recommended, but this is the only one big scale, I think. Yeah. No other company make it. So you have no choice. Just this one. Heller 72. Concorde. Concorde. Yeah, and I need to put the pointy tip here. I need to glue. Yeah. Yeah, that's it for now. That's it for today. Thank you. Bye.